Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the Shake 2 effect. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then we're going to scroll down to find Shake 2, click and drag it down to the timeline. And now what we're going to do is place it at a specific point on the clip where my sister misses catching the phone. So let's do this. And now we can also go to the Special Effects tab with the effect being selected and mess with the range, go a little further back, and the speed of the effect, the speed of the shake. So let's check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.